Hello, good morning students, welcome back. Last week we studied about a good deed of a boy. How did he helped the old lady in crossing the road? This week we are going to start with a new lesson. The name of our lesson is rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words when we pronounce those words, in the ending of that word, the sound which is of first word, same sound will be of second word. For example, SIT, sit. What is ending sound? It. HIT, hit. T, sit. T, hit. T. So what is the ending sound? Ending sound is same or not of these two words? SIT, sit also same. HIT, hit is also same. So the words when we pronounce and the ending sound remains the same, such words are called rhyming words, and we get rhyming words specially in poems. आपल्या poems ज्या असतात ना, yes or no, in English बाल भारती we have English poems, correct? Like hands up, hands down, move around, turn around. Do you remember clap your hands? There were many poems in your subject, English subject. So here it is told that in poem we get such type of rhyming words. I will just give you some examples. Look at the following examples. What point is given here? Look at the following examples. MAT, mat, RAT, rat. Mat, AT, rat. AT, mat, rat. Sit, hit. SIT, sit, HIT, hit. COT, caught, LOT, lot. SUN, sun, RUN, run. CUT, cut, BUT, but. LOOK, look, BOOK, book. ज्यावेळेस एंडिंग साऊंड सेम असतो ज्या शब्दांचा एंडिंग साऊंड सेम असतो त्या शब्दांना रायमिंग वर्ड्स असे म्हणतात. ओके, व्हॉट दे आर कॉल्ड रायमिंग वर्ड्स. द वर्ड्स when we pronounce, okay, here it is told that in each pair of the word the last parts of the word sounds the same. Last part of each and every word, when it sounds same, that is called rhyming words. And these words are called what? Rhyming words. Rhyming words are commonly in poems. Poetry means what? Rhyming words are mainly in poetry. Poetry means what? Poems in the book. In English Bal Bharti book we have poems, and in that poems we get such type of rhyming words. Now here it is told that question number 1, write the rhyming words with the help of the pictures. Write the rhyming words with the help of pictures. Now there are some pictures given over here. Now here first word is given cat. Now here one picture is shown, that is what? That picture is of hat. So our first answer is what? Our first answer is CAT, cat. HAT, hat. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. How many are there? 7. So second one word which is given here is BIT, bite. Third one is BUT, but. Fourth one is FAT, fat. Fourth one is BUN, bun. Sixth word is PAIN, pain. Seventh one is GOT, got. Okay. Now here when we speak of BIT, bit. So what will be rhyming word with the help of this picture? What do you understand after seeing this picture? The boy is sitting on the chair. So what it will be rhyming word of bit? SIT, sit. Ending word sounds same. BUT, but. Now what picture is shown for but? This is what? It is a hut. So HUT, hut. FAT, fat. Now what rhyming word or which picture is given here for FAT, fat? You can see a picture of rat. So FAT, fat. Rhyming word of FAT, fat is RAT, rat. BUN, bun. What will be rhyming word of burn? You can see a picture. What it is? Sun. So bun, sun. Next one is pen. P-A-I-N, pen. What you can see here from clouds, what is falling? Water drops are falling. What that water drops which are falling from the clouds is called? It is called rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Understood? Seventh example which is given here is G-O-T, got. Now example in the picture is of what? Example in the picture is of pot. So G-O-T, got. P-O-T, pot. Understood? After that is eighth one, C-O-N-E, cone. Now what will be rhyming word of cone? Your picture is of what? Your picture is of bone. So cone, bone, B-O-N-E, bone. B-I-N, bin. 10th one, N-I-C-E, nice. C-U-T, cut. 12th one, L-O-O-K, look. 13th one, B-A-K-E, bake. And 14th one is S-E-T, set. Now B-I-N, bin. What picture is given for bin? What picture it is? It is a picture of pin. So bin, P-I-N, pin. N-I-C-E, nice. And here it is picture of dice. So D-I-C-E, dice. Dice is used for indoor games, correct or not? Games which are played inside the house, correct? Snake and ladder. 11th one is C-U-T, cut. So what picture is given for cut? The word which is rhyming word for cut is N-U-T, nut. So N-U-T, nut. L-O-O-K, look. There is a person who is cooking food. Then what that person who is cooking food is called? He is called cook. L-O-O-K, look. C-O-O-K, cook. B-A-K-E, bake. Here picture is shown of cake. So C-A-K-E, cake. S-E-T, set. And here picture is of net. So N-E-T, net. In this way, today we have studied rhyming words. Keep in mind, rhyming words are those words when we pronounce a particular word, okay, the ending part of the word remains the same of another word. Such words are called rhyming words. Ending parts of the words sounds same. Cat, hat. Ending part sounds same or not? Cat, at, at, and hat, hat, at. Yes or no? The parts of the word, the ending parts of the words sound same. Such words are called rhyming words. Understood? And mainly we get rhyming words in poetry. Okay, when we speak about poem, when we read poem or recite poem, in poems, in the ending of all lines of the poems we get rhyming words. Understood? Poetry means what? Poems. We have so many poems in English book, you might be knowing, and if you will try to find out, you will get rhyming words in the poem. What you have to do? You have to read poem. When you will recite poem or read first line, the last word will have some rhyming word in the third line. Second line, last word will have rhyming word in the fourth line, last word. Understood? In this way, today we have studied rhyming words. Tomorrow we are going to start with English Bal Bharati syllabus. I think you have understood what is taught in the lesson, and please complete your English grammar book. If you don't have English grammar book, you can write down these all examples with the name of the lesson. Write down all these examples in your English notebook. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.